Okay friends, I'm so happy to have you back to my channel today. My name is Kalisto Tonyochi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to trade P2P on Binance, how to carry out P2P trading on Binance. Whether you have traded on P2P before or you don't have any knowledge of P2P and how it works, just pay attention to these instructions I'm going to give in this video. Pay attention till the end as you are going to learn how to carry out P2P trading on Binance. So watch this video to the end, but before then I would want you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and then click on the bell icon to activate notifications so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified immediately. You don't have to miss any of my videos because these are quite educating, interesting, and okay friends, to carry out P2B trading on Binance, the very first thing to do is to open up the Binance app, which I believe you already have installed in your phone, and I believe you have already registered on Binance and that you have verified your account, because for you to be able to trade on P2P you have to get your account verified first. So when you open up this interface, you have to go down and click on P2P trading as you can see on the screen here. Alright, then you will be brought to this interface where you will have the option to either buy or sell crypto on P2P. So here we have a list of merchants that sell USDT at different rates. Alright, the very first person we can see here, Mr. Sam, is a verified merchant and he sells USDT at 702.99 per dollar. Alright, you can see the second person here selling at 703. Alright, so let's assume you want to buy from any of these merchants, or you want to buy at a cheaper rate than 702.99. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and click on this filter here, and then you're going to deactivate this option that says only show ads from merchants. Deactivating this makes it possible for other people that are not merchants to have their adverts sent by you, so you can purchase at a cheaper rate. Those merchants are typically people that do P2P as their business. Then ordinary traders are traders like you and I that just want to sell their tokens for fiat currency. Alright, so you can see we have some cheaper rates here. So you can select from any of these sellers here, but it is very important for you to understand that you have to only purchase from someone that has a good review. Alright, you can see this person already has 100% review, but he has done only 21 trades on P2P. Alright, so you can go ahead and click on buy. Okay, when you click on buy, you will be brought to this interface where you have to input the amount you are purchasing. So this person is selling between the minimum of 4,000 to 5,000 naira. So you cannot buy beyond this price here. You cannot buy less than 4,000 and you cannot buy more than 5,000 naira from this seller. So let's assume you do not want to buy within this range that is stipulated here. You want to buy more than or less than 5,000 naira. So you're going to simply go back, all right, and check other people's limit. This person is selling between 8,000 naira and 6,000 to 8,000 rather, and then you can see people with their trading range here. So you can keep scrolling down till you get to a seller that sells up to the range you want to purchase. All right, okay, you can see this person here sells from 5,000 naira to 20,000 naira. So if this falls between the range you want to purchase, then you can go ahead and click on buy. When you click on buy, then you're going to type in the amount of naira you want to buy with. Let's say you want to purchase USDT worth 10,000 naira. So you're just going to click you're just going to input 10,000 naira in this box, and then the next thing you're going to do is to click on buy with zero fee. All right, so let me click on buy with zero fee. So you can see that the order has been created and you are being mandated to pay before this 15 minutes runs down. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and click on make payment, and then the bank details of the seller will be shown to you, so you'll have to make transfer into his account, after which you have to click on transferred, notify seller. All right, so once you have made the transfer of 10,000 naira to this person's account, you have to confirm that the account has the same name as what the person has written here. After that, you're going to click on transferred, notify seller. All right, but if you're not able to make this payment within this stipulated 15 minutes, the trade will be cancelled. And if this continues for 3 times, if you fail to make complete transactions within the stipulated time, you will be temporarily banned from carrying out transactions on P2P for 24 hours. That means if you cancel trades for 3 times in a day, you will not be able to trade on P2P again all through that day till the next day. So you have to be sure that the amount you have is within the range of what the seller is offering, so that you don't make mistake of cancelling trades unnecessarily. Okay, so once you complete any purchase on P2P, the assets you bought will be transferred to this funding. You can see funding account here, so you can click on wallets and then go to funding. That is where you're going to see the asset that you have just purchased. So to transfer this asset to either spot or futures account so that you'll be able to trade with it, you are going to click on transfer. All right, so when you click on transfer, you're going to select that you are sending this asset that you have just bought to spot trading, and then after that you're going to click on this column that has BTC highlighted, and then you're going to select the exact coin you purchased on P2P. So here we are going to select USDT because this is what we purchased from that seller. So after that, you're going to click on the amount you want to transfer to spot, and then go ahead and click on confirm transfer. Here I just have some little fractions of USDT from the last transaction I did, so that is why you are seeing 0.0013 and all the rest of them here. So once you have clicked on max, or you have a certain amount you want to transfer to your spot account, you transfer that amount and then click on confirm transfer, and then the asset will be immediately transferred to your spot wallet. So you can now go to spot if that is where you send the asset to, and then you can see your available balance in USDT here. So with this, you can go on to carry out your trading or whatever you want to do with the USDT that you have so bought.